mga kapamilya sa Balitang Amerika ngayon. The number of people losing their homes hits a new record, 4 million. A Filipino nonprofit calls for a stop to foreclosures for laid-off homeowners. Friends defend Manny Pacquiao from rumors about his love life. His coach defends him from Mayweather trash talks. And the King of Hearts, David Pomeranz, joins us tonight. Problema po ng ekonomiya lalong lumalala. Dulot ng kawalan ng hanap buhay, kawalan naman ng pamamahay. Sa pagtaas ng unemployment rate, kasabay nito ang pagtaas ng foreclosure. The number of people who are in foreclosure or are behind on house payments is at a record high. 4 million homeowners are now in trouble. Unemployment is causing many homeowners, even those with good credit ratings, to go into foreclosure. 33% of new foreclosures are held by those with fixed-rate home loans. This is up from 21% last year, which were mainly due to high-risk subprime loans. For the 9th straight quarter, homeowners were behind on their mortgage payments. Ang problemang ito ang isinusugod ng mga problemadong homeowner sa mga opisyal ng pamahalaan. Rodney Jaleco tells us housing advocates are calling for a stop to foreclosures for homeowners who have lost their jobs.
They called it a wake-up call. Homeowners fighting foreclosure took their demands for a moratorium to the steps of the Treasury Department and the White House. Faith Bautista, President and CEO of California-based Mabuhay Alliance, says the Obama administration wasn't doing enough to help about 12 million Americans at risk of losing their homes.
It's still not trickling down to the homeowners, especially to the Filipinos. So what we're asking the Secretary, Geithner, is to put the money, help some of the unused TARP money.
Home Free USA and Mabuhay Alliance are pushing a Magna Carta for homeowners. They want a 1-year foreclosure moratorium for unemployed and underemployed homeowners, mandatory reduction in loan principals for homes that have substantially lost value, enactment of Senator Durbin's reform bill to make it easier for homeowners in foreclosure to earn back their credit rating, and require lenders to stop foreclosure proceedings after homeowners or HUD-approved nonprofits submit loan modification packages.
Kababayan natin who are living in Las Vegas, Reno, Daly City, Solano County, areas that really the prices went down, there's got to be a moratorium.
Bautista says their ultimate goal is to preserve the dignity of homeowners, the biggest casualties in the recession, and help them get back on their feet.
What we really want to happen is we know we cannot avoid foreclosure. A lot of people are losing jobs, homes are losing value. How do you give a dignity back? How do you have that good exit strategy?
Bautista predicts the recession will continue to bedevil homeowners for 2 or 3 more years, so the time for action is now. Rodney Jaleco, ABS-CBN News, Washington, D.C.
Now, one bright spot.